Hey guys, Shadowdash here, and today I'm going to be starting a new series about character accessories for some dude like this one or this zombie. So the first one we're going to do is going to be a coffee machine, and so to make it you're going to need a 2x2 brick, a 2x3 brick, two of these, actually as many as you want for these 1x1 cylinder-like pieces, and then you can have as many of these studs as you want also, depending how many coffee cups you want to have. So you also need a 2x2 plate, preferably the same color as you want your machine to be. Same with this, because then it'll just look better. Then you also want a 2x3 plate. These pieces, I don't even know what they are. They look, I don't really know. But you'll need two of these. You'll need two of these 1x2 grill pieces. Ba-bam. You'll need two of these 1x2 bricks. And then you'll need these two of these headlight bricks. Great, now let's get on to the build. Okay, so to start off, you're going to want to take your 2x3 brick, put it there, and then put your 2x3 plate on top of it. And then you are going to take your two grill pieces and put them on the front. And this is like that grate part at the bottom, so that if there's any extra spills, it gets through these and it won't fall all over the place, the grates. So then you're going to take your 1x2 bricks, both of them, and stack them on top of each other. Then put them on top of the coffee machine. Then on top of that, you're going to take your headlight bricks and put them on top, as I just said. And then you're going to take these two pieces, whatever they are, and put them on like that, so that the front part is facing downwards. And then, on top of that, you're going to take your 2x2 tile and just put it on top. And that is the coffee machine done. If maybe you can guess, this is where the coffee or whatever it is comes out. And then you are going to take this 2x2 brick. This part is optional. It's just like a little side table where the coffee cups will go on. And then you'll put it there. And then to make your coffee cups, you just take these 1x1 cylinder pieces and the stud. You just put it on top. And the stud is meant to be the lid, and then obviously the cylinder is the cup. Then you can put it there. Then if you want, you can put the other one on the machine. The lid down there. And then you are done. So, thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you all next time. Bye.